Hey guys, in this section what I want to do is create a download repository for our website, for our blog. I want to be able to have a a menu link called downloads, and this is where we could actually, as the blog owner, upload documents so that others can get them from us. This could be like a terms of service document or a proposal or a quote form or something like that. So the plugin that I want to use is called WordPress Download Manager. If you want to go to wordpress.org/plugin/download manager, you can read all about it, the features, installation, screenshots. You can read reviews. It has 149 5-star reviews, so it's a pretty popular extension. So we're going to download this, and I'm going to open up the zip file, and we actually want to bring this download manager folder into the plugins directory. So if we go to our HT docs, my web dev, WP content, and then plugins, we want to bring that folder right over. Now if we go to our admin area, go to plugins, and we should see the download manager. So we have to activate that so we can use it. And now we have a new tab called File Manager. This is where we'll manage all the files on our site, in our repository. What I want to do is create a category. I'll create a category called Clients. These are files for clients and potentials. And this is going to be a top level category. And I'm going to create one more category called legal. So now we have two categories, which actually gives us the shortcode if we want to display all the files in the category. Let's add a new file, and I'm going to call this client list. And this plugin has a really cool feature where we can drag and drop the files. I actually created 3 sample documents, which you'll find in the program files for this section. And I'm going to bring over a client list, which is an Excel file. So that's uploaded. The other 2 will go in the proposal form will also go. Well, no, we want to create a separate entity for that, because this is just going to be the client list. So it's going to have just the one file. We could add the file from a server if we wanted. Package settings. We could add a password, stuff like that. We want this to be in the clients category. We can select an icon if we want. Just select the box. And then there's other stuff available if you have the pro version. So you have pro level themes, stuff like that. So that looks good. Let's save that, or create package rather. Alright, so that's good. If we want to delete the file, we can just click this X. Alright, so that looks good. Let's go back to the manager. So now we have our client list file. Let's create another one. And this will be the terms of service. So I'm going to put this in the legal category. I'm going to select the box icon again, and I'm going to drag over the terms of service Word document. So that looks good. I will create package, and I want to add one more file, which will be the proposal form. And these are just blank documents. That will be in the clients category as well. Alright, so now we have 3 files in our repository. And it actually looks at the file extension and gives it an image. You can see both of our Word documents have this icon. The Excel, however, has this Windows icon. Maybe they can't read Excel files, so they just give you this general icon. I don't know why. It doesn't have an Excel file, but it also gives us the shortcodes that we can use in posts, pages as well as posts. So let's go and create a new page. I'm going to open this in a new tab, so we can leave this open so we can grab the shortcodes. And I want to create a new page, and we're going to call this, we'll call it Documents. And in this page, I want to, actually I'm going to go to Categories, and let's just experiment with this and see what each shortcode does. So if I grab the Category for Clients shortcode, paste that in, publish, we got to create a menu item. Documents. Alright, let's go back to the pages, and if we reload our front end, we should have a Documents link, and here we go. We have all the documents from the Clients category. So we can actually grab the Legal category, put that right under it. We can actually give it a label as well. Legal. Alright, let's see how that looks. Yeah, so that looks really good. And the more categories you can add, you can just simply add in the shortcode. If we click on a document, it'll prompt us for a download. So we can download the client list spreadsheet. So that's how we can have a file repository on our blog. It can be very useful, maybe not for a blog site, but for a business site. So that's all there is to it. I will see you in the next section.